Hey guys, here we are with another quick bike check. Building up the Guerra again. She's a little rough. These bars, Colt ones, they're old race bars with the non-existent grips. Need to get grips on there. I've got these bars on my old school 90s Mongoose build as well. But here I got a front load stem, but this one is a GT front load. Had a red line on the 90s one. Whatever I could get for a headset, I'm gonna make it work. Obviously the Guerra Martyr frame, 3 pounds, lightest chromoly frame that they've ever made. Period. Like 3 pounds, that's dead on. It's got the Euro bottom bracket as well, so it makes it even lighter. Down here, some tires, a little muddy. They're green, but they're the Lagos. And then Vincent's old Mongoose front wheel. And back here is a Quando rear hub. Mission seat, one-piece combo, keep it lightweight. I don't got a bottom bracket or anything else like that in it yet, but I could take you guys to the parts and show you guys what else is going to go on this bike. Got the Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. The old one's pretty rare. The other bearing. And then I have some cranks there with some E-clot pedals. And that's about it for now. Gotta get some more stuff for it. That will do it for this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe on it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.